What's going on, guys? This is Brian from Quantum Motorworks doing a tutorial today. We're going to do a function test on this 03. Actually, I believe it's a 2006 Autococker Pro stock. I just did a full rebuild on it. Polished some of the internals, didn't really focus on polishing too much of the outside. Hoping the timing should be good and set up. We're going to go ahead and test it out right now. This marker hasn't been shot in a couple of years. It was actually really corroded, and it was so corroded that the bolt was actually locked up and seized. You couldn't even pull it out. So I had to let it sit overnight with some, lubricant WD-40, and I was able to free it up, polish that, posted some videos, but just to give you guys a look. Just a light polish on it, cleaned it up. Timing should be set. Alright. Test this out with my Spire hopper. Gonna put some batteries in it. Don't really like to leave my electronics with batteries installed. This battery's leak can go bad. Nice. Let's go ahead and throw some paint in there. Alright. This is my regulator on my air compressor to about 120 psi for testing purposes. Typically, I would consider that low pressure, like a low pressure test. You can go ahead and hook up a tank, of course. That's going to be like around 200 psi. High pressure test or a normal test, but this setup right here pretty much will let you know if your marker's functioning or has any leaks. So let's see what happens. Alright, let's go ahead and turn up the velocity just a little bit on the marker. Pull out the cocking rod. I don't have a chronograph, so I'll just do this by eyeball. I typically like to leave the internal velocity regulator adjusting screw all the way out when you store it, but we'll go ahead and turn it in so we can go ahead and see what it does. We'll go ahead and turn it all the way in. Oh, that goes pretty far. Let's go ahead and back that off. Something like that. Some more paint. Charcoal. Brake balls or anything. Beautiful. Alrighty guys, so thanks for watching. This is one of my first videos demonstrating one of my full rebuilds on an Autococker. In the future I may be posting videos of how I clean them and disassemble them, service them. But feel free to hit me up in the comment sections. Give this video a like. If you have any questions, let me know. And stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.